Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, choose Storage, and then select your SD card, which for me is right over here. And you will find Format option right over here. Select it. It gives you a message once you do that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, maybe some photos, music, stuff like that, do back it up beforehand, because otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, click on OK. This will instantly begin the process, and this only takes a couple seconds, so should be right about done. Oh, there we go. So click on done and you're finished. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.